change for you too if you want to.
What's that again?
If you want me to do the tool change.
Yeah, all the same stuff we did on the other one. Ramp up it to max, ramp it up to max spindle speed, and do the tool.
I go 3,000 RPM.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay. Okay.
It's a V up and down. Okay. You want me to go ahead and stop it? And
No, you just keep going.
Okay. How much you want to start on the RPM?
Just the same as the others, what you did there.
Okay.
2,000, 5,000, 7,500, 10,000, that'll be good.
So I'm going to go 5,000.
Okay, okay.
Take care, boss.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Let's go up to 10,000.
Okay.
Oh, sorry,
That's fine. So you took it down to 8,500 there?
yeah, now you're up to 10,000 RPM. 99998, so 10,000.
And then can you take it down by turning the knob? Oh.
Oh, yeah, you want, oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
Yeah, you can turn on the knob.
Yeah, just take it down by turning down the knob.
And now I'm up to like 7,000 RPM.
Okay,
So about 65,000 RPM.
okay.
I can go right now about 5,000 RPM.
Take it all the way down to 0. Perfect, thank you.
400 RPM.
Perfect.
324.
Just take her down to 0.
0?
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect, thank you.
Yeah.
Do a tool change?
Yeah. I can put the tool in there if you want me to.
Perfect, thank you.
Okay.